Hey everyone, just another quick and easy tutorial for you all. So recently I bought a Rode Pod mic and a USB audio interface, and I was having trouble. So what I learned was that my audio interface has two tracks. My one track on the left side is for my XLR, which is my microphone, and the other track is my other input, so a line 2. So what I had to do, or what happened was, I went to go and try to record on OBS like I'm doing right now, but it was only picking up the left side. That's because it was sending a 2-track stereo signal. So it was sending the left side but not the right side. So what I had to do was go to, was it here? I had to go to here, the cogwheel right beside on my mic and audio, or my mic and auxiliary. I had to go to advanced properties, and then under mic and auxiliary, I had to go over and press mono. Then I had to press track 1, unselect track 2, and then select both for track 3. I went into settings, I went into output, I went into recording, and I selected all 3 of them. Now, what you should be hearing is both of your tracks, or both of your ears being able to pick up both audio tracks like I had to do. Okay, this is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found it informative or helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on the video. I will be posting every week. Today I just did 2 videos because I wanted to get some content out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.